This is Charlie Riggins with Pi Barker, and today we're looking at three stories shaping industry, infrastructure, and economic growth across the Southeast. First, we'll head inside the paint manufacturing world, where a pump technology upgrade is helping producers cut downtime and extend service life. Then, we'll look at Florida's fast-changing economy, where wealth, talent, and corporate investment are rewriting the state's business story. Finally, we'll turn to Miami-Dade County, where a new innovation challenge is calling on technology leaders to help modernize water and sewer infrastructure. Let's get into it. In the world of paint and coatings production, reliability is everything. Manufacturers handle abrasive materials like titanium dioxide, better known as TiO2, which is a key additive in latex paints. But one facility faced a serious challenge. Their air-operated double diaphragm pumps were wearing out too quickly, with diaphragms lasting only 6 to 8 months. The solution was a switch to Integral Piston Diaphragm technology, or IPD. Unlike traditional designs, IPDs offer longer wear life, fewer leak points, and easier rebuilds. After outfitting several pumps with IPDs, the results spoke for themselves. Service life is now measured in years, not months. Downtime has been reduced. Costly draining cycles happen less often. Maintenance is simpler, with only 3 parts to assemble compared to 7 in the old setup. And the pumps are holding up better against aggressive process fluids. Performance data confirmed the benefits. Pumps equipped with IPDs ran more than a year in continuous operation, 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, without major issues. That means fewer service hours, fewer interruptions, and a more efficient paint manufacturing process. A factory representative summed it up well. They are lasting longer, easier to rebuild, and naturally more resilient. The bottom line, by adopting IPD technology, paint manufacturers can extend pump life, cut costs, and improve sustainability in latex production. Now, that first story is about what happens inside the plant, solving a reliability problem with better equipment. But reliability does not stop at the production floor. It also matters at the state level, where businesses are deciding where to invest, expand, and hire. And right now, one state is drawing serious attention. 50 years ago, Florida was known mostly for Disney World, retirement communities, and beach motels. Today, the Sunshine State looks very different. Florida has become a magnet for wealth, talent, and corporate investment, reshaping its economy for the future. According to the Florida Chamber Foundation, more than $39.2 billion in net wealth migrates to Florida each year. That equals roughly $4.48 million every hour. This influx is fueling new companies, corporate expansions, and thousands of jobs. The numbers tell the story. 115 billionaires now call Florida home, including Jeff Bezos, Mark Zuckerberg, Larry Ellison, and Sergey Brin. Florida ranks #1 in the nation for talent attraction, according to Lightcast. And from January 2025 to February 2026, 367 major corporate facility projects were announced statewide. Key regions driving this growth include Miami-Dade County, which leads with 74 corporate deals. Palm Beach, Tampa, Orlando, and Fort Lauderdale are also securing major projects. In St. Petersburg, firms like Dynasty Financial Partners, Webull, and Smart Choice relocated from New York, drawn by lower taxes, strong talent pools, and quality of life. Developers are reshaping skylines too. In Miami, Carlos Rosso's $2 billion Midtown Park project will bring luxury residences, office space, and public amenities. Meanwhile, St. Pete is adding more Class A office space in 5 years than it has seen in the past 2 decades. The formula is simple. Capital goes where it is treated well, jobs follow wealth, and success attracts more success. Florida's pro-business climate, lack of personal income tax, and lifestyle advantages are making it a new frontier for investors and companies alike. The bottom line? Florida's future is being defined by innovation, investment, and opportunity, not just sunshine and tourism. And as Florida grows, the pressure on infrastructure grows right along with it. More people, more companies, and more development all depend on systems most folks never think about until something goes wrong. Water, sewer, pumping, treatment, and maintenance. That brings us to Miami-Dade County, where local leaders are looking for new ideas to keep essential infrastructure ahead of demand. Miami-Dade County is taking bold steps to modernize its water and sewer systems. Officials announced a $300,000 innovation challenge designed to attract startups, researchers, and technology firms with breakthrough ideas to strengthen the region's infrastructure. The challenge focuses on efficiency, resilience, and sustainability. Participants are encouraged to propose solutions that tackle pressing issues such as leak detection, energy optimization, predictive maintenance, and climate resilience. Winning projects will receive funding, pilot opportunities, and the chance to scale their innovations across Miami-Dade's extensive water and sewer network. So why does this matter? First, Miami-Dade operates one of the largest water and sewer systems in the country, serving millions of residents. Second, rising climate risks and aging infrastructure demand smarter, more adaptive technologies. And third, by partnering with innovators, the county aims to reduce costs, improve reliability, and protect public health. County leaders emphasize that this initiative is not just about technology. It is about building partnerships that support long-term sustainability. The Innovation Challenge reflects Miami-Dade's commitment to future-ready infrastructure and positions the region as a growing hub for water technology development. Miami-Dade's $300,000 Innovation Challenge is a call to action for innovators to help shape the future of water and sewer systems and build resilience for generations to come. So there you have it. From longer-lasting pump technology in paint manufacturing to Florida's rise as a magnet for capital and corporate growth, to Miami-Dade's push for smarter water infrastructure, the message is clear. Industrial progress is not just about bigger projects. It is about better systems, smarter decisions, and reliable equipment doing the work behind the scenes. This has been Charlie Riggins with Pi Barker. And remember, whether it's a pump on the plant floor or infrastructure serving an entire county, reliability is what keeps progress moving. For more industrial insights across Florida and Georgia, visit pibarker.com.